Hello world, it's Becca Possible, and I wanted to just take a moment to explain who am I? Who is Becca Possible? First of all, I want to say like and subscribe. I would love to have you a part of my little YouTube journey. And if you would like, you can follow me on pretty much all the platforms at Becca Possible, and you can go to beccapossible.com to see the progress that we're making as we build that out here on YouTube. So, a little bit about my background. I actually started self-taught HTML back in 1995. Kind of hate to say that, I kind of aging myself there, but yeah, I fell in love with the internet and was loving doing, a view page source and seeing exactly how they got things to work and recreating my own stuff. And so that followed me throughout high school and college, and I decided to pursue PHP, became a PHP developer. Um, this was, back in the early 2000s, mid 2000s. And back in 2014, I found Drupal, and I have been a Drupal developer ever since. I do also do PHP, WordPress. However, most of my focus corporately has been in Drupal. So I also want to say that I am ADHD, so I am neurodivergent. I do have a quirky way of doing things. I can be overwhelmed at times, but I also have a system in place to help me with that. And I have found something that actually works well for me. I will share some of that in upcoming videos, but do know that I do get overwhelmed at times, but I always follow through. I always um, come through and meet my deadlines and all of that. I don't have an issue with timing. Unlike some folks with ADHD who are always late, I am generally always early because I have so much overwhelm and anxiety about being late that I just don't allow myself to ever be late. So I'm on that side of this ADHD spectrum. In any case, I am Acquia certified. I do have the Drupal 10 site builder and Drupal 10 developer certifications. I am going to be getting my front end specialist and back end specialist certifications by the end of the year. That is my goal. It's just something that once I have time and whatnot to get that done. And I don't have any prior to Drupal 10 certifications. I was just, happy away, plugging away at my job. And so I didn't feel it was necessary, but I decided to branch out and do freelance work and am deciding to pursue those certifications and things just to beef up my freelance resume, so to speak. What is one of the things? Okay, so one of the things I actually love about Drupal is the community. I love that it is open source. I love that we have such a wide variety of people from all different walks of life that are part of the community, but especially that we have such a huge contributed module and theme database, so to speak, um, that, it's not a whole lot of paid things like WordPress where, there's some free stuff, but then you have to, if you really want to have all the bells and whistles, you have to pay for it, or you have to pay for it outright to begin with. I have not found that with Drupal. Not that that's a problem. It just means it's more affordable. So that is one of the things that I do love about Drupal. And I'm just, if I look down, I apologize. I do have some notes just to make sure I don't go too far off track because, ADHD squirrel. But anyway, so the purpose is of this channel is just to build beccapossible.com along with you to test out modules, to see what I see, hear what I hear, know what I know, share all of the details, all of the things with my YouTube family. So I hope you join along. I would encourage you to subscribe, like, hit the notification bell if that's something that you would like to do. And again, you can follow me everywhere at beccapossible.com. And just remember, everything is possible. It's not just the last name, it's really, truly how I feel. And I just look forward to hearing more from you guys. Please be sure to comment. I love reading comments. All right, bye.